Hello, friends. Okay, so we're talking about some clearance in the body wash aisle over at Walgreens, where a lot of this stuff went to 90% off. And I was even surprised that my little store is following. Not a lot of people are talking about this, so I think a lot of you will have a lot of success. Clearance is always a year, mileage may vary. Often Tuesdays or Saturdays are the best days to get out and see what they might have. We know that the body wash and a lot of this bar soap has been on clearance for a couple of months. So the fact that it went to 90, it's about time. In store only, you can't be looking for this stuff curbside because I did look in the app and none of it is showing at 90% off. So the first item we're looking at are the 6-pack of the Restoring or Hydrating, and Hydrating is full price if you look it up in the app. But at my store it was $1.29, and here's just a better visual of that's 90% off, guys. If you can find 6 of them, I think there's a 6 off at 3, so you have to be the value higher for the digital coupon to come off, especially for manufacturers. Another one a friend of mine sent me was this one called Deep Exfoliating, $1.29. So that is some tremendous clearance at 90% off. We also have these scrubs for 99 cents. The original price was $9.99. My friend also got a $2 register reward when she bought hers. A register reward did not print for me. So you might get one, maybe not. These fancier, this fancier line, I think it's called Oat Milk Berry Brulee. Looks very Christmassy, but 79 cents for the bar soap. It's both the men and the women's, the body wash and the bar soap. And then we have the sensitive one for $1.29. If you know anything about bar soap, this is some tremendous prices, and a lot of you can probably just shave this down, add water, and make a homemade body wash. There must be a tutorial somewhere online. We have the large one with a pump for $1.49. Like, this is definitely worth, if you are near a Walgreens, go and look for this stuff, because I was absolutely shocked. But I was really good too. I didn't drive to every single store in my area. I just went to one store because of gas prices. And I think a lot of this stuff was left at the store. I probably got marked down on a Tuesday, but Wednesday afternoon it's all there because people are just not doing as much clearance shopping because of the high soaring cost of gas. I also did check Fetch Rewards. There is no rebate for these soaps. I thought there might be a progressive one for Dove, but hang on to your receipt because sometimes there's rebates with IBOTTA, especially for bar soap, so maybe something will pop up, maybe it won't. And then in that hair care aisle, a couple of hair masks. This one by Shea Moisture for $1.49, so 90% off right there. And then we have the wonderful coconut oil as well. So that fancier area where they have like the boutique body washes and stuff, like a lot of the Shea Moisture is towards the front of the store usually. I would definitely walk down that aisle. And we have another bar soap for 79 cents. You can use Walgreens cash register rewards to pay for this. Go to your store today and look. Other clearance that I've been seeing lately includes this Reynolds wrap for $1.99. The original price point was $3.99. So we have 50% off, so not bad. Unless you're super brand loyal, I probably would pass on this because I like the Walgreens bags just a little bit better because they're so much cheaper. I think this week they're 88 cents, but this is $1 off for $3.99. I mean, if you are all about the Ziploc, I guess this would be one to pick up if you are super brand loyal. We also have some candy for those Easter baskets for 99 cents. I remember when we used to get tons of Walgreens store coupons that would attach to these, making it free. Those were the days, weren't they? Lots of beverages as well. And then you're going to want to go into that frozen food area too, because a lot of the food is, up to 75% off. A lot of influencers were posting it. We have an Olipop in cherry cola, and then lots of the prime beverages as well clearing out. So you might want to look for these as well. Only $1 off, but hey, if you needed it for an Easter basket, if that was your kid's favorite drink, there you go. A lot of other Easter treats are starting to, they're taking like 50 cents, a quarter off. I just think that people just don't have the money to make big elaborate baskets this year. So a lot of this stuff is already starting to clear out, including this licensed Peeps little trinkets and stuff. $2 off. Wow, 280 off. I don't think any of this stuff is selling, so they are trying to mark it down even before Easter to tempt you to buy it for an Easter basket. So I would definitely go to Walgreens if you're putting together a last minute Easter basket for your kids. I think Easter is this upcoming Sunday, and see what they might have. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.